Hello friends. Susan Hill was born on 5th February. She is an English author of fiction and non-fiction works. Her novels include The Woman in Black, The Mist in the Mirror, and I'm the King of the Castle, for which she received the Somerset Maugham Award in 1971. On the face of it is an expression which means that something is good when we take a glimpse of it, but upon a closer look it is not so, or vice versa. This is a play featuring an old man, Mr. Lamb, and a small boy, Derry. Both of them are physically challenged. Mr. Lamb has one leg of tin, and Derry has a burn scar on half of his face. This scene is of Mr. Lamb's garden. Derry goes to the garden thinking it to be empty and gets scared to know that the owner of the garden is present there. He tries to go away, but Mr. Lamb asks him to stay back. Derry feels that he looks ugly and terrible and is afraid to look at himself. He says that he hates being with the people and that his face got burned up by acid. Mr. Lamb tries to change his perception. He says that everything is God's creation and interests him. He says that weeds are same as flowers, both being green growing plants. He finds no difference between the two. Similarly, he says that all the human beings are same. Derry says that they are not the same, to which the old man replies that their age is different. They have physical problems, but these are not important, so they are not different to each other. Derry feels that Mr. Lamb can hide his leg under his trouser, but there is no way for him to hide his scarred face. Derry refused to accept his thought, which he had also heard before, that a person's physical appearance does not matter as much as his inner beauty does. He talks about the story of Beauty and the Beast, where the ugly beast turns into a handsome prince upon being kissed by the beauty. He says that he won't ever change like that because no one will ever kiss him as his face is scarred. Even his mother kisses him on the other side of his face. Derry is reminded of the teachings he hears to think of other people who suffer more than him and still remain brave and never cry nor complain. He recalls an incident when he overheard two women talk about his face, and one of them commented that his face was such that only a mother could love it. Mr. Lamb advises him not to listen to everything. He tells the boy to think positively about everything, just like he finds the buzzing sound made by the bees to be a song and he likes it. Derry says that he would not have entered the garden had he known that Mr. Lamb was there, as it was trespass and moreover he did not like being near people. The old man advises him to lock himself up in a room in order to avoid people. He encourages him that he should not feel bogged down by his facial scar. Rather, be thankful to God as he had his limbs, a brain with which he could accomplish everything. He tells Derry that he has many friends and that he is also one of them. He considers anyone who is not an enemy to be his friend. Mr. Lamb tells him that apart from a bomb that can blow up your limb or a bottle of acid that can burn your face, there are worse things that can blow you up from within. The words that a person speaks can be so powerful that they can either blow you off or strengthen you from within. Mr. Lamb says that Derry is always welcome to his garden. Derry offers to help him pluck the crab apples from the trees and wants to take permission from his mother, but feels that she won't let him come back again. On the contrary, Mr. Lamb says that it is Derry himself who would not want to come back again, and not that his mother would stop him. He tells him that he need not agree to what others tell him, and that when he waits, watches, and listens, he will come to know what he actually wants. Mr. Lamb goes towards the bees, and Derry shouts at him in anger that he will return to the garden. In the next scene, Derry goes to his mother, who wants him not to go to that garden again. He tries to convince her that he is a harmless man and he just wants to be there, sit and listen to talks. He ignores her order to stay back and goes to Mr. Lamb's house for inspiration to succeed in life. The next scene is back in the garden where Mr. Lamb is climbing the ladder to pluck the crab apples. He falls off the ladder and just the Derry enters the garden. He runs towards Mr. Lamb and tries to talk to him. But as he is silent, the young boy feels that he has lost the inspirational old man and starts difficult words from the chapter. Daft meaning foolish. Dribble drops saliva from the mouth. Peculiar, strange, trespassing, enters someone's land or property without permission. Miserable, in a bad condition. Important questions from the lesson. What is it that draws Derry towards Mr. Lamb in spite of himself? Derry finds Mr. Lamb to be different from the other people that he meets. He does not get scared of his burned face and does not even question him about it. Rather, he talks to him in a loving manner, is positive about life, inspires the boy, and calls him a friend. He invites him to his house and garden whenever he feels like coming. He says that things appear to be different, but from within all things are the same. He tells Derry that acid only burned his face, but hatred can do much more harm to him as it will burn him up. He inspires Derry to achieve success in life and to wait, watch and listen to know what he actually wants to do in his life.